Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today, I am representing my group members to present a project entitled Digital Inclusion Unleashed, Innovating Remote Learning for Diverse Ability. This project consists of 5 members, which is me, myself, Zazarina Zakaria, my friends Nawal Abdul Razak, Dr. Juhaida Ismail, Rosalinda Abdul Rahman, and Dr. Prasanna Ramakrishnan. As an introduction, the problem statement for the project is due to the current remote education platforms lack accessibility, limiting engagement for students with disabilities. The objective of the project is to transform the online learning through an inclusive platform for diverse learners. The solutions consist of 3 main parts, which is integration of assistive technologies, which is example screen reader, voice control, offer customizable learning tools for varied learning style, and address needs of students with visual, learning, and physical impairment. The goals of the project to ensure the equitable, engaging, and accessible remote education for all students. The type of disabilities are taken into consideration for this project consists of the following: speech impairment, learning disability, hearing impairment, mental disabilities, visual impairment, physical disability, and multiple disability. In terms of applicability, the project is highly applicable in various educational settings as it provides adaptable tools that cater to diverse learning needs. This platform also versatility makes it well suited for integration into remote, hybrid, and in-person learning environments, promoting inclusivity and accessibility across educational formats. In terms of impact, it is believed that the project includes fostering educational equity by reducing physical and technological barriers, which promotes a more inclusive learning environment. The project is expected to improve academic performance and self-confidence among students with disabilities. Additionally, it set a benchmark for inclusive practices in remote education, raising awareness and advocating for broader accessibility in digital learning environment. This initiative will ultimately contribute to more equitable educational opportunities for all students. In terms of impact to quintuple helix, the projects align with the quintuple helix model by fostering collaboration among academia, industry, government, society, and the environment. By enhancing educational equity and accessibility, it promotes societal inclusion, advance digital innovation, support policies improvement, and contribute to sustainable, inclusive practices in education. In terms of Sustainable Development Goals, which is SDGs, there are 3 SDGs covered by the project, which are SDG 4, Quality Education, by ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education and promotes lifelong learning opportunities for all. SDG 10, which is Reduce Inequalities, by empowering students with disabilities by providing equal access to digital learning resources. And lastly, SDG 9, which is Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, by promote innovation through the development of accessible and assistive educational technology. In terms of environmental, social, and governance (ESG), it is believed that the project will contribute into social, promote inclusivity, accessibility, and equal educational opportunities. The second one, which is governance, encourage ethical use of technology and data protection for vulnerable users. And lastly, for environmental, it is believed that the project will reduce the carbon footprint through remote learning, minimizing travel and physical resources. For originality, the project enhanced educational accessibility through customizable interfaces designed for students with disabilities. Features include suitable fonts, color, and an innovative text-to-speech system for visual impact and auditory learners. The interactive multimedia tools and adaptive learning paths create engaging, personalized experience. By integrating assistive technologies such as screen readers and alternative input devices, the platform fosters inclusivity, ensuring all students can participate, learn effectively, and enjoy equal educational opportunity. The project are divided into 4 phases. Start with features identification. For features identification phase, it consists of 6 content experts and 4 system experts that all have the knowledge and experience dealing with disabled students. Phase 2 involves prototype development. For phase 3, which is prototype testing, it involves 48 disabled students from UiTM Dengkil, Raub, Kuala Terengganu, Dungun, Merbuk, Sungai Petani, Kuala Pilah, Tapah, and Serangoon. Through the prototype testing, a model verification has been conducted. The model verification and the result from the prototype testing are analyzed using 2 methods, which is descriptive analysis and ranking analysis. The final verified model developed for the project consists of the following, which is in terms of UDL principle, consists of engagement, representation, action, and expression, which include the enhancement elements that access to all learning materials should be kept available throughout the term, breaking assignment or projects into smaller tasks with multiple deadlines, custom pacing guide for students who have fallen behind with work, access to discussion room for lecturers, students, and peer-to-peer discussion, pre-arranged discussion session with lecturers, use of both visual and auditory form of presenting information, direct link into a folder that contains learning materials based on chapters and topics, and allow verbal replies to online discussion or forum. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how technology can transform remote education into a more inclusive and equitable experience. By integrating assistive tools, customizable interfaces, and adaptive learning paths, it ensures that students with disabilities can learn effectively and independently. The platform promotes accessibility, engagement, and equality in education, supporting global goals for inclusive learning while setting a sustainability foundation for future innovation in digital education. The findings from the project has been transformed into a paper publication in 5 different journals and conferences. One of the paper has been included in the chief editor note. Besides, the project also have a few award winning. From the project, one research grant has been obtained, which is consists of 35,000. The project also has obtained its copyright. The project obtained approval from Research Ethics Committee. The project obtained approval from Unit Perkhidmatan OKU. Thank you very much.
Home. Help. Login. Login. Please try again. Login. Password. Email. Login. Welcome to e-learning system. View. 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 Notes. Video. Activities. Assignments. Quizzes. Assessment. Discussion rooms. Notes. Chapter 1. Introduction. Chapter Home. Video 1. Home. Video Home. Activities. Linux. Google Chrome. Check answer. Home. Puzzle. Dragon. Home. Assignments. Assignment 1. Upload. 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 Home. Assignment. Home. Quick quizzes. Assessment. Discussion rooms. Book appointment with instructor. Online chat with instructor. Public discussion. Book appointment with instructor. Time slots. Book now. Booking will be confirmed by instructor within 3 days. Please check your email inbox for confirmation. Close. Online chat with instructor. Home. Home. Disk progress. Home. You have successfully logged out. Profile. Home.